American Eagle Outfitters gets an upgrade from JP Morgan Securities. So that piece of good news, if it's good news, came to our notice by this piece written here on Schaeffer's investment research. And the author wrote the shares of American Eagle Outfitters Inc. Were up 5.4% at $12.18 last time they checked, after an upgrade from JP Morgan Securities to overweight from neutral, with an added price target hike to $17 from $12. The firm cited an expectation of growth from the company's lingerie brand, Aerie, which has a strong online presence as well as a casual and comfortable clothing, both bonuses amid the pandemic. And then yesterday, that is the 12th of August 2020, AEO was looking to close above the descending 200-day moving average for the first time since May of 2019. This trend line coincides with the $12 region, which could act as a line of potential support going forward. Year to date, the equity is still down 15.9%. Coming into that was yesterday. Coming into yesterday, the 12th of August 2020, 7 of the 16 analysts in coverage supported a buy or better on American Eagle stock, with 7 at a tepid hold and the remaining 2 at sell or worse. Meanwhile, the consensus 12-month target price of $13.09 is a 5.9% premium to current levels. In the options pit, calls are popular, and AEO's 10-day call put volume ratio of 27.37 at the Securities Exchange ISC, CBOE, NASDAQ, stands higher than 94% of all readings from the last year. This indicates the calls have rarely picked up at this rate in the past year. Today, the retailer is seeing an influx of option activity. So far, 13,000 calls and 2,741 puts have crossed the tape, 6 times what is typically seen at this point. The August 12 call is the most popular, followed by the November 12 call. Okay, so we'll just quickly come over here on the charts. We can see what's going on here. This is that declining 200-day moving average. You can see that. The fact that it's the share price is currently trading below this longish trend line indicates that yes, it's being a laggard. It has not been doing well, and that piece said it has been down. What did he say again? 15% from its okay, yes. Year to date, the equity is down, still down 15.9%. Yes. So, but it has surpassed the 200, the 20-day, and also has surpassed the 50-day. But you can see where sometimes why some of this consolidation and sideways movement and trading at lower levels, why they can over a certain duration, because if you notice, this is over a range of about 2 months from here, as the 16th of March to here, the 27th of May, which is over a period of more than two months. So it's been trading between 8 point, or rather 8.8 dollars and some fraction to about $11 and some fraction range for about 2 months. So with that sort of uh, um, duration in consolidation and sideways movement and minimal momentum. Let's see what the momentum is saying over there. Yeah, you can see it over. Absolutely, you can see the momentum is very very much in the negative. But the good thing about that is that with such a prolonged duration of low momentum comes the cooling of trend lines. You can see these, the 20-day, the 50-day, they all, especially the 20-day, the short-term one is mixing, mingling and converging and diverging from the share price. So with that sort of prolonged um, tepid and if not poor momentum comes the cooling of certain trend lines. And when those certain trend lines cool down and converge and come closer to the share price, then traders or market participants will be looking at that and be saying, yes, this is the time to go in. Things have cooled down a bit. The volatility has ebbed. The decline has seen its course. The bottom has been reached. Now that's going. So you can see that after that, comes the return, and it's been spiked. And you can see from here, the 29th of May, it had a 5-day winning streak. So since the lockdown, its peak so far since the lockdown up till now has been $12.21. Even though, of course, you might say that it has since declined a bit after that winning streak, but it's also trying to come up again. It's closed at $10.98. So it's just the sort of thing that you would see, and the sort of things that market participants look at and say, this is the time to join in on a particular equity. And of course, based on what has been said, it has this sort of it has a sort of products that are very much of what's going on now. Bonuses amid the pandemic. Casual and comfortable clothing. So we should have started here the summary page. What is obvious here based on those ratios? We can see the reverse. This is a put call ratio, but what we had over there was a call put ratio. So the put call ratio here is 0.27, 0.2, and for 30 days it's 0.1. Clearly indicating that the option participants are very very much on the call side, very much bullish on on um, on American outfitters. And it is important. The reason why, for some reason, that ratio is quite important, or rather, the activity of option traders are quite important, because you can see here the short interest is 21.9%, and the much more recent one is 24.16%. This is more than, this is double the health. This is double the amount of cushion that is needed in a stock to guarantee that it would not bottom out, as it were. That cushion is about 12%, and American Outfitters is spotting 24%. That is twice that percentage. Okay, and then these are some of the rating summary, and some of the comparisons as well. It is better than all the S&P 500 and all its derivatives for the last 1 month, even though for the past 6 months it's not. It's been worse than all of them, and the past 1 year has been worse than all of them. But and ETFs holding the equity. The SPDR direction, yes, we covered that and then they are work from home ETF. But I don't know if you know. I don't know if that is the work from home ETF. Um, Not sure if that is the case. And then there's also the Invesco S&P Mid Cap 400. Okay, so slight business summary here says American Eagle Outfitters is a multi-brand specialty retailer. The company offers a range of apparel and accessories for men and women under the American Eagle brand and intimate and brand and intimate apparel and personal care products for women under the Aerie brand. It operates stores in the United States, Canada, Mexico, Hong Kong. The company operates and licenses approximately 1,300 retail stores and online are online at www.ae.com and www.ae.com in the United States and internationally. Its company-owned retail stores are located in shopping malls, lifestyle centers, and street locations in the United States, Canada, Mexico, and Hong Kong. Okay, that's the bit we can cover for you on American Eagle Outfitters. It's a stock to watch. 24% short interest and a serious amount of what is it called again? Short, sorry, of options activity on the call side of things. So let's see if we can have a look and see what's going on the options pit for AEO. Okay, let's see what they indicated here. That is the August 12 call is the most popular. August 12 call. Okay, this is the August 12 call. Okay, 513 open interests, but probably by the time they finish writing this piece, other ones like the August 1150 and the August 9 have since become popular with by far more open interests. Okay, again, thank you very much for watching this video. Don't fail to subscribe to our channel, sign up on our platform, and make smart, good use of your money. We offer a platform where you can monetize your expenses, and that way you would be making very smart use of your money. Thank you.